What is financial management? Financial management means applying management principles to manage the financial resources of an organization. It simply involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling financial operations to manage the finance of an organization efficiently.
Financial management helps in anticipation of funds required for running the business. It estimates working and fixed capital requirements for carrying out all business activities. The finance manager prepares a budget of all expenses and revenues for a particular time period on the basis of which capital requirements are determined. Here, financial management helps in anticipation of funds by estimating working capital and fixed capital requirements for carrying business activity.
Deciding optimum capital structure for an organization is a must for attaining efficiency and earning better profits. Proper balance between the debt and equity should be attained such that it minimizes the cost of capital. Financial management decides the proper portion of different securities, for example, the common equity, preferred equity, and the debt.
Every business should properly analyze different sources of funds available and choose one which is cheapest and involves minimal risk. Here, source of funds is one crucial decision in every organization. Every organization should properly analyze various sources of funds. For example, the shares, bonds, debentures, etc. It must select appropriate fund which involves minimal risk.
Once funds are procured, it is important to allocate them among profitable investment avenues. The investment proposal should be properly analyzed regarding its safety, profitability, and liquidity. Before investing the amount, the investment proposal should be analyzed and properly evaluate its risk and returns.
It aims to increase the amount of return to its shareholders by decreasing the cost of operations and increase in profits. Financial management works towards raising the overall value of shareholders. The finance manager focuses on raising cheap funds from different sources and investing them in the most profitable avenues. Finance managers should focus on raising the fund from different sources and invest them in profitable avenues.
Financial management monitors all funds movement in an organization. Finance manager supervise all cash movements through proper accounting of all cash inflows and outflows. They ensure that there is no situation like deficiency or surplus of cash in an organization.
Last is apply financial controls. Implying financial controls in business is a beneficial role played by financial management. It helps in keeping the company actual cost within the limit and earning the expected profits. There are various processes involved in this, like developing a certain standard for business in advance, comparing the actual cost or performance with pre-established standards, and taking all required remedial measures.
A. Punch, punch bar, punch, punch. Okay.